Okay, this is my last walkthrough of this classroom I've been in for 13 years. I'm about to pack up, so I wanted to get one more look of everything. Lots of memories. Let me turn the light on. TSA Wall of Fame. Here's our Scuba News desk. All my famous people pictures and autographs. This is the exit door that I had converted to a closet. When I first came, these cabinets weren't here. I installed these lights myself. Requested a green screen wall. Here's the teleprompter for the announcements and the desk they sit at. Here's the TriCaster. Poster printer, one of my favorite things. Laminator. So this is pretty much it. After today, I'm moving out, starting packing. Lots of good times, lots of good memories. But bigger adventures are ahead. So this is Mr. Coursey signing out at K1.